In this video, I'll show you how to get started with GitHub Copilot, an AI tool that helps you write code faster and smarter. First, go to the GitHub Copilot website. Then, click the Get Started for Free button to begin the sign-up process. If you're new to GitHub, click Create an Account. Now, fill in your email, password, and username. Just a note, your username should have no spaces, no capital letters, and only use letters, numbers, and cannot start or end with hyphen. Choose your country, then click Continue. Next, you'll need to verify your account. GitHub gives you a visual puzzle or an audio challenge. Choose whichever you prefer. I chose the audio password to complete the verification. Once that's done, GitHub will send a confirmation code to your email. Enter the code to verify your email and continue. Now, sign in using your newly created username and password. Congratulations! Your GitHub Copilot account is now set up. You can start chatting with Copilot and asking coding questions. For example, I asked, "Can you write a simple Python program that checks if a number is prime?" Look how fast and accurate the response is. Next, I asked, "Can you explain how this code works line by line?" Again, Copilot answered clearly and efficiently. It's amazing how quickly it breaks down even simple code logic. Look how fast and accurate the response is. GitHub is a platform where developers store and manage their code. GitHub Copilot is like your AI coding partner that helps you write, explain, and understand code, right inside GitHub or your code editor. That's all for now. If you found this helpful, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials.